Hello and very good morning. This is Dr. Janardhan Pawar from TC College Baramati, and we are here for the last topic of your syllabus. And the title of the topic is New Technologies in Business Communication. And in this topic, we are going to learn so many things, the new technologies which are emerged in the process of communication, and how those technologies are important, and what sort of role those technologies are playing. That also we are going to discuss in this particular topic. So we are going to see the how the technologies are emerged, and how the process of communication is also expanded because of these technologies. Those also we are going to discuss in this particular video. So in this video, as we know that there are a number of forms of communication, there are different types of communication, there are different methods of communication that we use in our day-to-day activities of business. And because of those methods and channels of communication, the process of communication is possible, the process of communication is successful. But nowadays, if you look at the scenario of last 10 years, there are a number of technologies which are emerged in the process of communication, and everyone is using those technologies in the process of communication. So technology is playing an important role in the process of communication, that we can understand by looking at the last 10 years scenario. If you look at this since 2000 onwards, a number of technologies are emerged, or we can say like that the revolution in the process of communication is taken place. And because of this revolution, a number of benefits are there for the business, even for the businessman also. So if you want to work as a businessman, or if you want to take the benefit of those technologies in the process of communication, those can be definitely availed. So if you want to take the benefit, we need to understand what sort of technologies are using, we guys are using, or we people are using in today's communication, or in today's business communication process. So if you look at if you look at the past technologies, even if you look at new technologies which are there in today's communication process, then we can understand the difference between those technologies, and we can also understand how those are emerged, how those are expanded in days to come. If you look at the previous years, if you look at the older age, there we had different sources or different means of communication. Those are not here in today's world, and those are totally changed. If you look at that, people used to go for birds, people used to go for animals for the process of communication. They used to give message by using birds, they used to give message by using animals also. If you look at the kings and monarchs, they had separate people for sending the messages. That particular person has to use horse for sending the message. He used to go for horse, he used to go for different kind of things for sending the messages. And those days only few means of communications were there. But if you look at the today's situations, we have a number of means of communication, and we are using those technologies of communication in today's world very effectively. And definitely we can say like that these technologies are very much useful in today's world. And because of technologies, we can say like that the distance has been reduced. We can send messages within some fractions of second to other person. There is no need to wait for a minute also. We can send a message within some fractions of seconds. So this one is a what we say benefit. This one is a objective of technologies which we guys are using in the process of communication. So in this topic, we are going to talk about the new technologies in the process of communication, and how those technologies are emerged, and how those technologies are useful when you want to pursue with your activities of your business. So this is what new technologies of communications are important as far as uses, as far as the benefits are concerned. So this is the topic, and in this topic we are going to have some discussion. We are going to have some thorough discussion on the topic like this. So in this topic, we are going to see all the technologies which we are using in today's modern world, as well as we are going to focus on the technologies which are useful for business, which are useful for universal people which are useful for everyone. We are not talking about the business only, we are talking about the technologies which are using for business as well as we are using for our day-to-day life also. So some of the technologies are not only useful for business, they are also useful for n number of people which are using in day-to-day lives. So this is the topic of discussion today, and we are going to discuss the content of this topic. So what we are going to say in this topic, that I have noted down here in a brief manner. So just look at this. This is the what we can say. This is the an agenda of our videos that I am making in days to come. So this is the first topic which we are going to see, that is why communication, why technologies in communication. We can perform the activity of communication without having technology also, but that was the thing of past. Now we cannot go for communication without having technology. So technology is also playing a vital role in the process of communication. Don't forget this, and we cannot forget this, and we cannot perform the activity of communication without having communication technologies. So that is the next one. Then we are going to understand the impact of technology in business or business activities. Basically, as I told you, in business we had limited sources, limited means of communication in the past, but right now we have n number of options to perform the activities of communication. So this is what I must say, like that this communication technology has created a huge impact on business also. Moving on to the next one, that is evolution of technology, how this technology has been evolved or evaluated, or sorry, not evaluated, how this technology has evolved. That also we are going to see. We are going to see the origin of evolution as well as how and the impact of evolution also. Then we are going to talk about phases of development of communication technology. What are the phases? Phase wise development is taken place. So we are going to talk about how those phases are taken place or took place, and that also we are going to discuss. Then we are going to talk about some outdated technologies which are not in use nowadays. If you look at that, today's technologies are totally different than the past technologies. Most of the past technologies we are not using nowadays. So why those technologies are outdated, those are also we are going to discuss here. Then current technologies for managers. If you want to work as a manager in every organization or in some organization or in an organization, there are certain technologies which are useful for managers also, and those we are discussing in this particular topic. So this one is an agenda, and in this agenda there are certain points we are going to talk about. Not only we are talking about the technologies which are useful for the managers, we are going to talk about the technologies, advantages and disadvantages of those technologies. If we use those technologies in business, there are certain advantages, and at the same time there are certain disadvantages also. So we are going to have some talks on advantages and disadvantages of new technologies in business communication. And the most important aspect which we are discussing here is when we use some technologies, and when we are using the different or certain technologies in business organization, there are certain things which are eventually coming out and which are coming out unnecessarily. Sometimes those are called as crimes. Some crimes are so increased, the crime rate is also increased. So if you want to use those technology, at the same time there are some side effects also. So those side effects can be called as crimes. So we are going to have some talks on related crimes which are there because of the use of technology. That also we are going to discuss. Similarly, we are going to talk on whatever is the next emergence, whatever will be the next thing in the process of communication. So after this, what will be the next is the point of discussion if we use it very clearly. So these are the things which we are discussing here, and apart from that, we are going to talk about certain things which are to be discussed. So my dear friends, whatever brief introduction I have given about the topic is I think enough, and from that we can understand nowadays we are not only using technologies, we are using latest technologies in the process of communication, and because of that the process of communication is a little bit easier for the businessmen, and we must say that by using these technologies, definitely business has grown and now we can say for business, or because of the technology, business, for business activities or for business, entire world is a market, and they are taking the benefit of those activities of global market because of the technology. I hope so, and I hope you guys have understood this whatever I have told you in this video. This video is just an introduction of new technologies in the process of communication or in the process of business communication. In this topic we are going to understand what sort of role this business communication is playing, what sort of role business communication is there, for business communication is there because of new technologies. And no doubt business new technologies has created a mark in the process of communication, and this is what most of the people, most of the business organizations, they have created a separate status in the mind of customer, in the mind of marketers, and that is a great benefit in terms of advantages for the business organization. I hope you guys understood the basic concept of new technologies in the process of communication. Next video we are going to talk about certain things related to this particular topic. Till then, just have a look, just wait. If you want to ask some questions, you can ask, and apart from that, if you would like to ask some questions, ask your questions by using this online mode. Till then, take care and bye bye.